Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we will be covering the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is a very powerful tool that you can use to solve any quadratic equation or find the roots of any quadratic function. So if a quadratic is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, so the general form of a quadratic, then the solutions are given by minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So let us do an example of how to apply the quadratic formula. So let's say we have a quadratic equation. Let's say x squared minus 7x plus 8 equals 0. Now here is a quadratic formula, so all we need to do is plug in the right values for each variable. Now b is the coefficient of the x term, so it's minus 7. So it's minus 7, which is 7, plus or minus the square root of minus 7 squared minus 4 times a. A is the coefficient of the x squared term, which is 1, minus 4ac, and c is the constant term, so the 8. And this is all over 2 times a, which is the coefficient of the x squared term, which is just 1. So you're going to get your answer as 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 32, which is 17, over 2. And there's your answer. Let's do another example. Alright, let's do another example. Minus 2x squared plus 10x minus 1 equals 0. So let's go over the different variables quickly. So remember, x is minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, remember, what is b? b is the coefficient of the x term. So b is 10. So it's minus 10 plus or minus the square root of 10 squared, 100 minus 4. Right? Times a. A is the coefficient of the x squared term, which is minus 2. Times the constant term c, which is minus 1. This is all over 2 times the coefficient of the x squared term, which is minus 4. So this is just minus 10 plus minus the square root of this is 92 over minus 4. And you get this, which you can just plug in your calculator because that's quite hectic to do in your head. And when you plug this in your calculator, you're going to get x equals 5 plus minus the root of 23 over 2. Yes. So, just a few key things to note. The plus minus, right? It can be a plus or a minus. So there are two solutions to every quadratic equation. So here, for example, the two solutions are x is 5 plus root 23 over 2, or x is 5 minus root 23 over 2. And this is because most quadratic equations will have two different roots. But in later topics, you can actually see that some have no roots and some only have one. But you don't have to worry about that. I'll cover that in a later video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And let me know in the comments what more things you like. I'm going to be doing the AS Maths course, focusing first on quadratics. And if there are any other topics you guys want to go over, please do let me know, and like and subscribe. Thank you.